Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to enable remote desktop protocol on Windows Server 2019 and 2022. Click on the Start button and select Server Manager. Click on Local Server on the left in the Server Manager window. We can see that Remote Desktop is disabled. Click on the disabled text to open the System Properties window, and then locate the Remote tab. Next, tick Allow Remote Connections to this computer. You'll receive a warning message and you just need to click on OK. Now, Remote Desktop may still show as disabled. You can refresh or press Ctrl plus F5 to refresh to enabled. Search CMD in the search box to open Command Prompt. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command and press the Enter key. And now, the Remote Desktop Protocol was enabled. If you can't enable RDP from Server Manager, you can try to enable RDP from PowerShell. First, search PowerShell in the search box and then select Run as Administrator. The registry value that enables or disables Remote Desktop can be modified using the Set Item Property command. Once this is completed, the Enable Net Firewall Rule command can be used to set the Windows firewall to allow remote desktop connections. Press Start, enter firewall.cpl in the text box, and press the Enter key. On the Windows Defender Firewall page, click on the Allow an app or feature through the Windows Defender Firewall option. Scroll down and tick the Remote Desktop and Remote Desktop WebSocket option in the list to enable RDP. In addition, Remote Desktop can also be enabled by using Group Policy. First, press Start and enter gpedit.msc to open Group Policy. Navigation is as the following: Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Remote Desktop Services, Remote Desktop Session Host, Connections. In the right pane, double-click on Allow users to connect remotely by using Remote Desktop Services. Select Enabled and click on OK. And now, once you've completed the steps in each method, you'll be able to use Remote Desktop on Windows Server.